So if you are a web designer and you want to create an attractive website mockup that looks exactly like this one on your screen now, I'm going to show you how or best websites I use in creating attractive website mockup that impresses a client. So just work with me, and if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I teach beginners how to build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify, and also build professional websites for business owners. If you want to see the best websites you can use to create your mockup instantly in a way that it impresses your client, please subscribe to my channel and let's get right into it. The top website on my list for generating free mockups is shorts.co. So don't worry, I will leave the link to all these websites in my video description so that you can actually get access to them. For you to use this particular website, you have to convert your web page into a full screenshot, right? Then you upload it here. So we're going to do that right away. You can just come to your browser and use this tool called Awesome Screenshots. Use it to screenshot your page. Tap on it. If you have the Chrome extension, click on it, then click on full page screenshot. As soon as that is done, we're going to use it on this particular website to generate an attractive mockup that will impress our clients. It has generated this. So what you will do is just come here and click on done. As soon as that is done, you can preview what it has generated for you. This is my website and how it looks like. So I want to do what? Download. Click on download, save it. I'm just going to save it. So as soon as it's saved, let's go back to that website. Just open it, come here. This is screenshot. Just open here and then you upload it. So we're going to upload the design here. Then if you look at the right hand side, you can see different presentations it has given to you. If you switch to this, it will show in your canvas. Then if you want double layout, you can do that here. This is single layout, this is double layout. It will show you two. That is if you want to add another one. So let's say I want to add another screenshot here. Just tap here on your canvas, add media. Let's say I want to upload this image. I want to do this. So let's see how it looks like. So it has been uploaded, and then if you want it to look like this, you can choose this. So if I want to add a 3-column layout, this is it. I will switch over to this. It's not allowing us to do this as if this is paid, but this is this. You can use this. You can switch over to this particular one. You can use any presentation you want at all, whichever one you feel like you want to use. If you want to zoom it, this is the zoom. Then if you want to export this, it's simple. Just come here, click on export, and you start exporting it right away. It will be saved in your PC. Can you see that it has been downloaded to my PC? Can you see the design here? So this is it. This is the presentation. And one more thing is that you can come here and actually change the frame, the mockup frame here. Tap on drop down. You can decide which frame you want to use. Do you want to use mobile frame? If I use mobile frame, this is how it looks like on this. If I use this, this is how it looks like. For if you want to use computer, you can also do this. Can you see? This is how this website looks like on a computer screen. This is how it looks like on a computer screen. Can you see? It's up to you to decide which one you want. If you want to go for all, you can just click on this screenshot and it does this for you. And if you want to reduce this frame, just tap here and then choose the frame size of yours. You can see this is how this frame looks like. This is how, as you can see, this is what you can do here. Choose any one you want. I can leave something like this and then choose this presentation. I can decide to choose this presentation, or I can decide to choose the first one I had here. What is that? If you also want to, let's say you want to increase the size of this when you are downloading it, this is 1x, you can go for 2x, but 2x I think it is paid. You need to upgrade for you to use that particular one. You can download as JPEG, but if you want to download as web, this particular one, the web, then you have to upgrade to Pro. It has a Pro tag. And if you want to download times 3 of this size, you're going to upgrade to Pro. You can stick to this, you can go for this as well, which is paid. So that is that on the first mockup generator you can use for your website. So the second one I use is landing folio. We come to landing folio. I've already made a video on how I use this website to take inspiration, design inspiration. So I want to show you another thing I use it for, and that is just hover around tools, click on mockup generator. It has a lot of resources for you. If you look at here, you see that it has just 2 free mockup templates for you, this one and this one, but these ones are pro. Can you see? This one is for a dashboard. This one has a desktop screen, a tablet screen, and a mobile screen. This one has a dashboard screen. So if you want any of this, you can upgrade to pro. Well, let me stick to this. This is the mobile, this is the desktop and mobile, which I'm going to select. Now click on select. Then you're going to copy your website URL. So I want to copy my website URL. This particular one deals with URL. You can select the color you want here. Let me put this 000. Just select the color of the frame you want. So it's up to you. I just want to click, and then you click on generate and wait for it. It has generated our mockup. So what you can do to download this is just to right click on save image, save, and this will be saved in your PC. That is how to use this particular website. The third one on my list is called what? Website mockup generator, and this is free. So let me type this payflex.com.ng. Let's submit this. It has generated this for us, and as much as this particular one is still loading, you can see it has generated this for us. Can you see? It has given us this one on the tablet, on the computer screen. You can decide to download any of them. Okay, this one is fully loaded. That is fantastic. As you can see, you can just click on download all devices. You can download all devices white. This is white, this is black. This one has the black frame. So you can decide to download this. What do? Just click on download, and it will be downloaded in your PC. And that is that for free websites mockup generators you can use in 2026 for your website. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it. See you in my next video.